And I'd like to introduce you to the Zippo HeatBank 9S. This is our latest in hand warmer technology. It'll last up to 9 hours. It has single or dual-sided heat, 3 adjustable levers. It charges with a simple USB, just like your phone, but this will also charge your cell phone. Usually, depending on your model, you get about 2.5 charges out of a full one. Keeps your core warm with the lanyard, keep it around your neck, stay cozy. Around 127, 130 degrees. Nice and toasty. It's adjustable, so if you're just in the cool office, maybe you keep it a little lower one-sided heat, whereas if you're out in the mountains like I was yesterday, you're going to want it full blast. Snowboarding, sitting in the duck blind, whether you're on the mountain, commuting, sitting at the kids' games, golfers, esports. We have met more professional video gamers who need to keep their hands nimble in between rounds, and they love them. Retails for $49.95, and it'll be debuting in April.